Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this new video I will show you how to fix iPhone touchscreen isn't working. Nowadays lot of iPhone users has been reported that their screen is unresponsive, slow and frozen issue. Now the question is how to fix this issue. So in this video I will show you how to fix it. Please watch this full video to learn how it works. There's multiple solutions that I will show you. Now let's begin. For the very first solution is force restart your iPhone. To do this, first of all press volume up button, then press volume down button and also press power on or off button at the same time. When Apple logo appears, then release all the button and it will easily restart your iPhone. Now we'll see second solution. Second solution is update to latest version. To apply this solution, first of all go to settings, then tap on general and here tap on software update. Here you will see the update if there is any update available for your software. If the update is available, then update to the latest version. So this will help you to fix the issue for iPhone touchscreen isn't working. Now we will see third solution, and the third solution is close all the apps. If you are open multiple applications on your iPhone, then please close it. If the application is used and then there is no required, then please close it. It will also help you to fix the issue for your iPhone. Now we will see fourth solution. Reset all the settings on your iPhone. To do this, first of all go to settings. Here tap general. Now scrolling down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset. Then again tap on reset all the settings. Now tap reset all settings and it will easily reset all the settings on your iPhone, and it will also help you to fix the issue for your iPhone. So that's how easily you can fix the issue for iPhone touchscreen isn't working. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.